everyone! Welcome to Paper, Scissors and Magic Show! I missed you guys so much, and today we are making a new custom! In fact, we are gonna make two custom inspired by Teen Titans Go! Starfire and Robin, and they gonna be in love! I'm very excited, so let's start right now! I definitely see Starfire as an alicorn, and it's why I chose Twilight for this custom. So the first thing we are gonna do is to remove the mane and tail, taking piece by piece all the hair out. Next, taking some acetone, we are gonna remove the eyes and the cutie mark. Now let's paint! We are painting her entire body nice beige, and because the pony is dark and the paint is light, it takes about 5 coats to make it look good enough. Now I'm gonna add some magic for the wings. Using a piece of sponge and 3 different shades of purple, I'm creating a gradient until it looks nice and smooth. And then I'm drawing a purple line at the base of the wings. Let's draw the eyes. I'm using pale green for the base and bright green for the iris. Then I'm relining the eyes with black and drawing long, gorgeous eyelashes, adding pupils, and finally 2 white dots for each eye. And done! I'm drawing a red tongue, and the rest of the area is gonna be brown. Let's dress her up! I use nice deep purple for the boots and upper part of the future dress. And I use lighter purple for the base of the boots. Then we need some light purple air dry clay. I'm making a caterpillar shape for the upper part of the boots, attaching it just like this. Then I'm carefully making an accessory using the same clay. And a tiny green gem. I got some darker purple clay for the skirt. And now I'm cutting it with small scissors, just like fabric, trying to get a nice rectangle shape. It's not perfect, but it's gonna work just fine. Another pale purple caterpillar for the belt. And the dress is ready. Then I'm making 2 gem-studded gauntlets using pale purple clay and green gems. And just adding some details with black paint. using this awesome bubblegum pink clay for the hairstyle, smoothing pieces of clay out with my fingers, then attaching parts of the hairstyle to the head. And I made the tail using the same technique. For the cutie mark, I printed this bright pink star, and now we should glue it to the body. And she's done! Let's make Robin. After cutting off all the hair and removing the eyes and the cutie mark, we are ready to paint everything beige. I'm drawing the skin-tight pants with green and a red shirt. Then some black foot boots and the collar. And a bit of green for the gloves. Now we can start drawing the eyes. First, I'm relining the eyes with black, like this. And then I just paint all the inside area white. Easy! I'm also gonna draw some details for the collar and the shirt. Let's draw a big, nice smile with white, bright teeth. Using black clay, I'm forming big spikes for the hairstyle, attaching them one by one to the head. Looks awesome! I'm also making green sleeves. And the clock, using yellow and black clay, making the perfect shape with scissors. And adding some extra detail to the gloves. I I made a spiky black tail and the cutie mark. Now we just should attach them to the body. And Robin is ready! That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of these customs in the comments below. And thank you for watching!